In this screencast, we'll show you how to add content to the advanced search page of your Real Geeks website. Adding content to your advanced search page is a feature that's great for power users who want to share more details about how to use the search feature. As we see in this example, the content sits beneath the search box. Here, it contains tips that suggest which neighborhoods are near the ocean, with good schools, reasonable prices, and more. So let's get started. While logged in to the administrative backend, you'll want to navigate to the link labeled Search Content. In the top right corner, click the button that says Add Search Content. The first thing on the page is the title, which will outline what the page is about. Most of the time, Google will use this as the text that is displayed when linking to your site in search engine results. As search engine practices evolve, we find this is used less often and that the text that is linked to it is determined by the search engine themselves. That said, it's still useful in providing context on what the page is about. So let's go ahead with Hawaii Real Estate, MLS Advanced Search. Then the description needs to include details that tell the user what it's about. You want that to show up as something attractive to click on as well, since this is the snippet that Google will usually use. Next, we have the meta keywords. This is where you can put keywords in of what your page is about. Search engines once used this field to help rank sites on search results pages. This is no longer the case, but again, there is still value in providing additional context on what the page is about, and it may have additional meaning for social media sites. So the next item on the page is content. This is where you'll add the body of the content of your page. The same criteria follows for this as with any page, so remember, it's very important that you uniquely write your content and not copy it from another site like Google or Wikipedia, because if you do, Google will read your site as a duplicate or copycat. So a quick note, if you're migrating content from an old site to a new one, you'll want to make sure you format your text to a plain text format by using a program like Notepad on a PC or TextEdit on a Mac. So I already have text here that I've copied and I want to convert from rich text to plain text. This is done by going up to the Format window and selecting the Make Plain Text option in the drop-down menu. After converting your text to a plain text format, you'll want to copy your text, return to your main browser where your page editor is, and place the text into your content section by pasting it here. Here, you can highlight your headers one at a time and select the correct formatting options that suit your style as follows. Now, let's say you want to add an active text link to an existing page you've created. Let's turn the word Lanikai into an active text link. To do so, you need to highlight Lanikai, click on the Insert Link icon above, and if you're linking outside of the site, you'll want to enter the full URL here. For example, http://www.realgeeks.com and hit OK. If you want to link it to the home page, you only have to enter a /. But in this case, I'd like to link the word to my Lanikai area page. So anytime you're linking within the website, all you have to do is add a /, the slug, which is the latter part of the URL following the .com part. In this case, it's Lanikai, and then a / once again. Then you'll want to click OK. Now you have a hyperlink that is linking to the Lanikai page. Let's do the same once again with the word Kahala. So I'll highlight the word Kahala, I'll click on the Insert Link icon above, and once more I'll enter a /, the slug, which is the word Kahala, and then a / once again. Then I'll hit OK. Now at the bottom of the page, in the drop-down menu, I can decide the type of search I want this content to be applied to. The first option is the advanced search, as we see here, followed by the condo search, then the foreclosure search, and lastly the MLS search. So as we discussed earlier, let's select the advanced search form type. If all the content is good to go, then let's hit the Save button and take a look at what we've added on the front end. So here we have our advanced search page. If I scroll down, you'll see the content we added here, which acts as supplementary material for users to better understand the neighborhoods they can search for. All my area page links are shown, just as we've configured it on the back end. I can now use these details to inform my search. For example, based on this, I'll search an area like Kohala, and then I'll click Search, and I'll go through the different properties that appear in the next window. So there you have it. This feature adds value and makes navigating the site clear and easy. Thanks for joining us in learning how to add content to the advanced search page of your site. Please check out our docs at docs.realgeeks.com to edit and add other page styles, sidebars, navigations, upload images, widgets, along with videos, and all other technical features for your Real Geeks website.